It's a pretty well-known fact that women are attracted to men of high value. These men are the personification of confidence, and know how to make a woman feel special. And while there are many types of men out there, high-value men always seem to stand out from the crowd. Some women may be content with just an average ordinary guy, however there is something about a man of high value that keeps them coming back for more. So with that said, here are a few reasons why women always return to high-value men. Number 1. They are charming and can make her laugh in rough times. Many times, a woman's confidence comes from the man in her life. If he's the reason why she feels good about herself, she will radiate that positive energy everywhere she goes. However, if he's constantly negative, putting her down or making her feel bad for being herself, she will carry that negative energy around. A high-value man knows how to build his woman up instead of destroying her self-esteem. We all understand that laughter is the best medicine. And when it comes to a woman having a bad day, these men are the perfect cure. They have a way of making her laugh even when she doesn't want to. His charisma and charm are two of his most alluring qualities. He knows how to make her feel at ease even in the midst of the madness, regardless of what she's going through. He knows how to make her forget her problems and just enjoy the moment. While other men may not understand that a woman's need to vent or may get impatient when she's having a crappy day, a man of high value is the perfect listener. Sometimes she just needs to let it all out, and these men are more than happy to lend a sympathetic ear. They understand that a woman's mood can change at the drop of a hat, so they don't take things personally. He also knows how to lighten the mood and make her laugh even when she's feeling down. Number 2. They are honest individuals and never play mind games. Honesty is one of the most important things to a woman. She wants to be able to fully trust her man and know that he is being completely honest with her. High-value men are always authentic and sincere with her, making her feel secure within the relationship. While other men may try to play mind games or hide the truth from her, she understands that a high-value man will always tell her the truth. Of course, this doesn't mean you will always be in agreement with her, however she understands that he will never lie to her. We live in a world full of lies and mind games, with people often trying to take advantage of others. Men acting as impostures toward women, trying to be someone they're not, and women trying to allure men by playing hard to get. However, with a man of high value, what she sees is what she gets. He's a straightforward man who doesn't feel the need to play mind games to win a woman over. They understand how to read people, so they're not going to bother trying to swindle someone. Playing mind games is a waste of time for a high-value man. He would rather be truthful with his intent, and let the chips fall where they may. This type of man has absolutely no interest in leading someone on, or playing mind games with their emotions. They believe in being upfront and mutual respect, which is why they will always be honest with her. Number 3. They are loyal, devoted, and will always be faithful to her. High-value men are the type of men that are loyal to their partners no matter what. They are a one-woman man, and won't cheat or do anything that would put the relationship at risk. Once they commit to a woman, they are in it for the long haul. Loyalty and devotion are two of the most important qualities in a relationship, and high-value men have them both without a doubt. He will never do anything to betray her trust or destroy her loyalty. A relationship is developed on mutual respect, and he would never do anything to destroy that. These men are not afraid to be with just one woman, and stick by her through thick and thin. We live in a world where adultery is all too common. It's refreshing to know that there are still men out there who believe in being devoted to one woman. A high-value man is the type of man a woman can depend on, both emotionally and physically. While it's so easy for a man to be unfaithful these days, a man of high value would never even consider it. Of course, there may be a rare exception, however for the most part, these men are loyal partners. They understand that trust is crucial in a relationship, otherwise it will fall apart. Number 4. They know how to make her feel adored, without being domineering or too attached. If there is one thing that women desire, it's feeling adored and appreciated. High-value men are excellent at making their partner feel desired and valued. They know how to show her love in a way that is authentic and not overbearing. While some men may try to shower her with luxurious gifts, a true man of high value understands how to strike the perfect balance. He makes her feel like she is the only woman in the world without making her feel suffocated. We often see men who try too hard to impress a woman and it ends up backfiring. They come on way too strong, which makes the woman feel uncomfortable and forced. On the other hand, some men hardly make an effort, leaving women feeling underappreciated. It's not about impressing her with grand gestures or materialistic things, it's about finding the little things that mean the most to her. Whether it's a simple hello text message or cooking dinner once in a while, high-value men are very detail-oriented and know how to listen to her. They pick up on the little things that she says and remembers them. It's like they have a built-in radar that allows them to read her mind. They understand exactly what she wants and needs, without her even having to say it. This is one of the things that women find so irresistible about these types of men. Number 5. They recognize her accomplishments, instead of feeling intimidated by them. Many people think a man's ego is fragile, and he can't handle it when a woman is successful. But that's not the case with these men. He recognizes his woman's successes instead of feeling intimidated by them. Jealousy is a destructive emotion and has no place in a healthy relationship. High-value men knows that her success is a reflection of him, and he takes pride in it. Instead of feeling like he has to compete with her or put her down, he supports her and cheers her on. He knows that a strong woman makes him look even better. A relationship is a team effort, and these men understand how to be a good team player. A woman wants to be with a man who makes her feel like she can achieve anything she sets her mind to. A woman who is empowered and confident is a force to be reckoned with, and high-value men knows how to nurture that strength. Supporting and celebrating a woman's achievements is one of the most loving things a man can do. This way of thinking creates a healthy dynamic in the relationship where both partners feel appreciated and respected. It also sets the foundation for a lifetime of happiness and success. We often see men who are threatened by their woman's success. They feel like they have to put her down in order to make him look like the breadwinner. This is a toxic way of thinking, and it will only lead to resentment and bitterness. A man should be proud of his woman's accomplishments, and see them as a reflection of his own success. After all, a strong woman makes a man look even better. Number 6. They are not afraid to be themselves around her. While some men try to put on a show, or act like someone else just to impress a woman, high-value men don't need to do that. They don't bother with games or pretending to be something they're not. They are not afraid to show their true colors, and they're comfortable being themselves around her. Being fake or putting on an act is just too much work. It's exhausting trying to keep up a persona that's not really you. There will come a time when you must let your guard down into yourself, so why not just do it from the beginning? It can be scary to put yourself out there, but it's worth it. This is why many women leave most men that try to act dominant. They are sick of all the games and the greed for superiority and control. It's exciting and exhilarating in the beginning, but after a while it just becomes exhausting. They might become possessive and jealous trying to control everything she does. It's not that these guys aren't necessarily bad people, because some women want that type of man. But sometimes it's just not sustainable in the long run. A real woman doesn't want to be dominated or controlled. She wants a partner who will respect her and allow her to shine.